Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add an AI chatbot widget to your Squarespace website. It only takes 2 minutes, and you don't need any special skills. First, go to Elfsight and choose the AI chatbot widget from the menu. Link in the description. Click Create Widget. Let's create your widget. Start by choosing a template that fits your needs. Click Continue with this template. Start by telling our AI chatbot about your business. Simply provide your website link or describe it manually. Start by telling our AI chatbot about your business. Simply provide your website link or describe it manually. Customize your AI chatbot's name, avatar, and general settings to match your brand and website. Upload files, add FAQs, and create text blocks to train your AI chatbot and give it the knowledge it needs to assist your visitors. Choose a pre-designed theme or customize the colors and fonts to perfectly match your website's design. Click Add to Website to get the embed code. Log in or sign up to Elfsight. It's free, no credit card needed. After signing up, you'll see your widget. Click the code to copy it and go to your Squarespace admin panel. In your Squarespace admin panel, go to Settings, Advanced Code Injection. Paste the Elfsight widget code. Now let's add the widget to your Squarespace website. Log into your Squarespace dashboard and select the website where you want to add the widget. In the left-hand menu, click Website, then go to the Pages section. Paste the installation code into the footer field and click Save. And the widget is now added to all pages of your Squarespace website. Refresh the page, and your AI chatbot is live. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your day.